Aloha! Welcome to Luana Moana. Denise O'Connor here. I wanted to introduce you to the latest art piece of the Luana Moana collection. This is an original, one of a kind. He does not make two alike. And his name is Daniel Moe, and he is out of the big island of Hawaii. And look, just look at the magnificence of this wave. It just sparkles, doesn't it? Every angle, I'm just mesmerized. Of course, it does look like Luana Moana's logo, but just the beauty of this really captures. Look at the power of the wave, the magnitude of it, the strength of it, and yet the beauty. It's amazing. Look at the foam. Can you see the foam right here and the darkness, and then how it comes light and clear on top? I love the white tip waves. The energy, it does, it feels powerful. Anyways, he's definitely a very popular artist. And I wanted to let you know that this is, I'm proud of it being part of Luana Moana's collection. It is 1 year birthday of Luana Moana, and this was gifted to Luana Moana. So we're just so honored and pleased and so grateful that this was part of the collection, and I wanted to share it with Luana Moana's guests. I hope you enjoy it. I keep staring at it. When I'm sitting here and I'm doing my work on the computer, it just distracts me because the light, whether it's the sunlight or the light above with the chandelier, it just mesmerizes me and gives me a little smile on my face as I continue with my day. Thank you and letting me share this with you, and I hope you would get to enjoy it just as much as I do. Mahalo and aloha.